The stunning valley of Swat has long been known as the mini Switzerland of Pakistan. 160 kilometers from Islamabad, it is situated in the lap of majestic mountains, the offshoots of the Hindu Kush, enclosing stunning valleys, lush green meadows and blue water lakes. Swat has been inhabited for over 2,000 years. The history of Swat dates prior to the arrival of Alexander the Great. Around the 2nd century BC, it was the main center of Buddhism and was also known as the Gandhara civilization. In recent times, this region witnessed a great deal of turmoil. The Talibanization of the region left a deep impact on every aspect of Swati life. The peaceful city witnessed a massive displacement of people. Still reeling from this, the monstrous floods of 2010 wreaked further havoc, destroying economy, livelihoods and infrastructure. In the fallout of the crisis, complex social, religious and ethnic divides emerged. The need of the hour was to promote unity, harmony and social cohesion. Sport, with the fundamental value in building a strong civil society, was the need of the hour. The Peace and Development Program of UNDP envisioned the Spirit of Swat Festival in collaboration with the provincial government, with the idea of bringing people back to life and getting them out of the trauma. This festival provided an opportunity of participating in more than 15 sporting events. The idea was to get communities together to promote peace and social cohesion and revive tourism. Muhammad Ajmal shows magic tricks with zeal and enthusiasm to allure his audience. Stunning them, a round of applause and appreciation is all he wants.
This is my second tour to Swat. I've come here to make people happy, make them smile. They're coming with families to enjoy this peace festival. These are the same people who were scared of coming out of their houses even. This festival conducted with the support of UNDP is a healthy activity. It will help in relieving people from their psychosocial problems. I think the similar activities should be replicated in other areas as well. The good thing about this festival is that it has an array of activities like sports, motorcycling, music, dancing and many more. It's a milestone in a journey towards peace. This new activity is positive and different. People have come from far-flung areas to see what is happening here.
International paragliders and skydivers enthusiastically participated. Sheeni Zada, a local news reporter, jumped with a 30-meter-long Pakistani flag from a height of 10,000 feet, creating an international record.
I thank UNDP for organizing this event and providing me with this opportunity. It is a message of peace and is instrumental in raising awareness among the masses. It will be a big help in maintaining peace and attracting tourists back.
The grand musical evening conducted in Tehsil Kabal of District Swat was the first of its kind. A huge number of people witnessed the spellbinding fireworks, followed by a musical evening led by Haroon and Shiraz. The famous singers mesmerized the audience, and the joy was augmented by spontaneous dancing. People from other cities also came to enjoy the festival.
And one of the key means to develop this or reconstruct this society was peace through sports.
Although recent times have taken their toll on Swat, the city is slowly but surely reviving its spirit, and UNDP is happy to support it in this endeavor.